Are you tired of trading time for freedom, or do you just ultimately want financial freedom? Well, make sure you stick around as I'm going to give you my full members review of the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 affiliate stacking system by my mentor, Jonathan Montoya. Welcome. My name is Chris Bowden, and thank you for stopping in to watch the video. I'm going to be going over on this channel. We'll be going over affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, and other topics along this niche. So please make sure you subscribe. I'll be coming out with weekly videos on these different topics. Now and also please stick around as I have some amazing bonuses I would like to offer you if you take the recommendation from me to purchase this course. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, most of you may not know who Jonathan Montoya is. He is an affiliate. He's been in the market he's been an entrepreneur for quite a few years. But back in 2019, he decided to go all in with his affiliate marketing business. Now, he did so well in March of 2020, literally right before the pandemic, he was able to, guess what, step away from his 9-to-5 job. Now, since then, he put together the original Freedom Breakthrough, the Blueprint Academy. Now, that program did so well, he decided to completely revamp the program, and now it's and added way more value to it. Now, it's the affiliate stacking system that he brings into play. So let's jump in and just see a few of the testimonials and the results that people are already getting. Here you got Daniel Chow, one of his top students, showing what he's been able to do in a month with the affiliate stacking system. You got Nate Bockers here that is taking advantage of the white label funnel, white label course that Jonathan gives us, and he is already making commissions on it, which is fantastic. Here you go. You got Yamini Gaba. She is the number 2 person on the all-time leaderboard list for Jonathan's course. Here you go again. You got multiple people. You got Barb. You got Daniel. You got Yamini again. You got many other ones. Let's see here. What else do we got? Here we are. You got Barb and Yamini again. You got RJ Ahmed, Rabier. Just to show a few, and these are all been since the second course 2.0 has been released. So let's go ahead and let's jump in and let's see what the course is going to be offered. So when you come into the course, this is what your members area is going to look like. Now, for the most part, people come in and they come in to do the 3-day challenge. The cost for that is only $7. And there is an upsell for that for a live training on the for YouTube, a 3-day challenge on that. Again, that is optional upsell for that. But a lot of people will go through this program here and they will eventually purchase the full blueprints because they see the value in it. I did the same. I purchased the 3-day. I did it for a while. I saw the value in it and I saw the results that I was receiving on just that. So I decided to take a next step and purchase the full blueprints. So when you get in, you want to start right here and you want to watch the course intro where Jonathan is going to explain to you how to get yourself in the right mind state and how to take each step of the course. So when you get into it, Module 1 is all about the intro to the affiliate stacking system, narrowing down your niche, getting all your products and services that you want to promote set up and ready to go. Once you have all that set up, go on to Module 2. This is where you're going to create your funnel, get your landing page, get your bridge page all set up, so that way you have a place to send your traffic to. Now, the next module is all about email mastery, where he will explain to you how to build a proper email sequence, how your email should be, and give you workbooks on each one of these to help you guide you through each step to make sure that you're going to achieve the results that you want to achieve. Again, action is required on all these steps. Action is required, whether it's imperfect or not. You need to take action on them. Module number 4, the King of Free Traffic, YouTube. If you've always had a dream of having a YouTube channel, having people come to your stuff, this course is for you. It will literally break you down from beginning to end on how to set up your channel and how to rank on your channel and get as many subscribers and everything as you would like to have. He also does the same thing with free traffic with TikTok. Now, I spent a lot of time with this one because I wanted to see the results. It was, at the time, it was beginning of my main platform that I was promoting. So just to show you a little bit, here we are, August 17th. I had just a little over 200 followers. I implemented the training from the free TikTok, from the TikTok course, and now I'm all the way up to roughly a little over 2,200 followers, and that's in 1 month. So it works. As long as you follow the steps that he puts out for you, you can achieve goals that you want to. So now, on to Module 6. This is how to use Facebook groups, how to bring in traffic via Facebook groups. Module 7, this is by my other mentor, and you heard me say his name earlier, Daniel Chow. He literally implements his own course inside of the affiliate stacking system. So you get an added bonus, you get a complete added course into this along with what Jonathan's already offering. Same with Module 8, Joshua. This is all about high ticket sales using Facebook Organic. So there you go again, completely added bonus, a full course in its own. 9, Module 9, this is creating your affiliate website asset. This is for you guys that like blogs and stuff like that. You can fully implement your website and put all your information and everything else there. Now, Module 10, if you want to rank in the SEO, if you want to rank on Google and all that, this module is for you. Nathan Lucas is a multi-platinum affiliate for legendary marketers, where Jonathan met him at. He used to work and do affiliate marketing at the same time. He just recently, I believe within the past year, he fully stepped away from the military, and now he just does his affiliate marketing by itself. He is a very smart individual, so truly take what he is saying into account if you want to rank. He will be the guy that can help you rank. Now, Module 11 is, I personally have not gotten involved in this because I'm not ready to do paid ads yet. But, however, if you have the capital and you want to do paid ads, this is for you. You will be able to get your ads shown, and you will be able to make positive money. I do know I've kept in touch with one of the other guys that's in the group, Nate Bockers. I mentioned him earlier. I know he went through this and he implemented the ads portion, and he's actually doing pretty well with this. I don't know how much he's putting into it, but when I talked to him, he said that he was seeing positive results on the ads. So kudos to that. That's to show you that it does work. Now, Module 12 is launch jacking. And what that is you're going to take products that are getting ready to hit the market, and you're going to give them a review, and you're going to start promoting them to help clients see the provided value in a product that's getting ready to come to the market. Now, here's a bonus, the white label course that I discussed earlier. What Jonathan Montoya does is he gives you the 3-day course where you put your likeness on it, and he allows you to collect 100% commissions on some of the items within the affiliate stacking system. So if you want to get your know, trust, and like going, this is a very good way to help build that. Now also, if you become an affiliate, if you buy the full 2.0 blueprint, it gives you an opportunity to earn 75% commissions for life. Now, I have already been approved for this, and many other people are getting approved for it, and it is a lot more added value if you're already promoting his course. So that is awesome from him. That's a great bonus that we get as affiliates from him. That's very generous of him. Now, also, it gives you this massive bonus of Inside the Minds of Super Affiliates. Each one of these is a course literally all on its own. Here we got another one by Daniel Chow. You got one by 17, 18-year-old Daryl Gray here. I've seen him around. He does some really good work. This video here, training session, was top notch. I actually learned a lot. He's a good kid. You know, you can't put the kid down for doing fantastic the way he is, and he does it for Legendary and for the Freedom Breakthrough. You got more on TikTok, more on leads. This one here is by Nathan Lucas again. Another top affiliate here, Brian Brewer. Some of you guys may have heard of him also. So all in all, you're getting so much value into this. Now, if you purchase this course based on my recommendation, I also would like to offer you my personal bonuses to go along with it. What you're going to get with my personal bonuses, bonus number 1, you will get one-on-one mentoring. You'll get 4 sessions with me. We will set them up via Zoom to help you implement the system and help you move through and achieve the goals that you want to achieve. Bonus number 2, we will sit down and we will review your YouTube and TikTok channels and to see if you're just getting started and how to get going with them, or you got them going but you're just kind of plateauing out and you want to get them up here like this. We'll get those channels turned around to where you can start driving more traffic to them. Also, I'm going to give you my full 200 plus video PLR library. You can use these to watch. You can use these to give out to people or whatever. They're private label rights stuff. Also, I'm going to give you my 50,000 ebooks, which covers all niches. So if you're not in the make money online niche, you could find something in here to use as a lead magnet or something to help you drive traffic via your niche. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you my Elite Affiliate Pro Premium Collection. It's going to give you a step-by-step blueprint. There's some checklists in there for you to do. There's some campaigns in there. There's some email swipes and stuff in there that you can use, tweak them however you need to. I'm also going to give you ClickBank marketing secrets, so that way you can better market ClickBank products. Also, ClickBank University 2.0, where more in depth on promoting their products. A lot of people start with ClickBank to generate income when they're first starting out. So this will help you generate those incomes. Again, if you sign up doing my recommendations, make sure you click on the Get the Freedom Breakthrough and all my bonuses, and you'll be directed to my page, and we will get everything set up. Once I get the email, we will get things set up for you. Now, for the total cost of the course, it is $14.97 for a one-time payment. Now, if you can't afford the one-time payment, which a lot of people can't, Jonathan gives you a choice to make it in 3 payments of $5.97 a piece. Now, if you choose the 3 payment method, he does give you full access to the course after the first payment has been made. So you don't have to wait until the 3rd payment is made. So there you go again. He helps out his affiliates because he wants to see them succeed. So I want to thank you guys for stopping in. Again, you guys want to take the recommendation to purchase this off of me. All the descriptions are down below. I want to thank you. Until then,